Oh, Brian, I really wanted to show you something that I found when I was cleaning up to move. It's my old music box. My Aunt Sally, I don't know if you remember it, but I told you she was stationed in Germany and she brought back some really cool things. And this was my favorite. It's a music box, and what's really cool is it's got all these different little like records, and they all have different songs on them, but so you can change it all the time. Anyway, you wind it up here, and then you can play it. This was my favorite. And when I was a little girl, I used to play this particular song, and it would take me to a forest, and there was a fairy there, and she would make me feel happy again. She's my friend. Anyway, I really love this. Oh, brings back so many wonderful memories. Anyway, I really want you to have this, and I want you to take it and don't put it away like I did. I want you to keep it out somewhere and play your favorite song. I'm sure you'll find one that really means something to you, and maybe when you play your song, you'll feel happy the way I did when I was a child.